soap on their omo. Stop that. I hate it. Somebody that told you that thing, go and beat them is a lie. So guys, today we'll be debunking some natural hair myths or lies that you guys have heard so far. I wonder how we all believed such. I'm also a victim. I also believed it. But now that I have come to realize that these are not true, that these are freaking lies, I'm here to debunk this myth with you guys, to let you guys know that these are lies. So sis, start taking care of your natural hair. Some guys do keep natural hair. All of you, please start taking care of your natural hair. So as we proceed into this video, in case I forget to mention something you have heard, please leave it for me at the comment section so I can do like a part 2 of this video and let others know. And as I proceed in the video, anyone I mentioned and you have heard before, please leave a comment for me at the comment section saying you heard so and so this and this. So yeah, let's get right into today's video. But please, before we proceed, please make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on your post notifications, so whenever I post a new video you get notified. Very big thumbs up. Leave a comment at the comment section. Like I said, this video goes on any of the myths you have heard, or rather lies that you have heard, leave it for me at the comment section. Follow me on my social media handles. All the link will be in the description box. So yeah, let's get right into today's video. Lies, or rather myth, is that you don't need a leave-in conditioner. This is really sad. Everybody needs a leave-in conditioner. Everybody freaking needs a leave-in conditioner. So there was this day I was chatting with one of my friends and I was like talking to her about her hair, something like that, and she was like she does not need a leave-in conditioner, and I was like shocked that leave-in conditioner are for strong or rather thick hair. I'm like, that those are lies. You need a leave-in conditioner. Every hair needs a leave-in conditioner, either virgin or relaxed. You can use leave-in conditioner and relaxed hair. It is also good. Sis, if you know you have not been using leave-in conditioner on your hair, please start doing that. Start using leave-in conditioner on your hair. It's really good for your hair. Please use a leave-in conditioner on your hair. Most people just use ori, which is shea butter, and that is it for their shea butter and maybe coconut oil. Yes, shea butter is really good, coconut oil is good, but please, you also need a leave-in conditioner for your hair. This is really good. So if you know you have not been using a leave-in conditioner on your hair, please start doing that. Please start doing that. Leave-in conditioner is not for only strong hair, it's for all hair type. Please start doing that. Anybody that told you that thing, go and beat them, is a lie. This brings me to my second lie, which is water fixes everything. Yes, water is really good for natural hair. And wait, some people say they don't use water on their hair because it shrinks. Yeah, shrinkage is normal. If you put water on your hair, it takes your natural hair back to its normal state, but that doesn't mean your hair has shrunk. If you stretch out your hair, you can still see your length. Your length is still there. Water does not reduce your length. Those are lies. And yeah, let's get back to what I was saying, was that water fixes everything. Sis, you also need to put product on your hair. Water just helps to distribute product, especially for thick product. It helps to distribute them and make them like easier to like access around your hair. And you know that most YouTubers usually do this video with their hair out and all of that, but I'll put in a clip on how my hair looks like as the video proceeds. You guys will see clips on how my hair looks. And if you want to check out my first hair wash routine, it's on my channel. You can feel free to check it out and also check out my other videos. This bro, guy, everything, you need product on your hair. Yes, water is good for your hair. Don't forget that water is good for your hair, and you also need product on your hair to help it grow. So guys, I was also a victim of this. Say trimming your natural hair helps your hair grows. That is a lie. If you have split ends, you can trim. That is good, but trimming your hair does not make your hair grow. I was a victim of that. That is a lie. Trimming your hair does not make your hair grow. If you have split ends, you can trim. It's good so that to make your hair look very leveled and fine. But taking care of your hair will make your hair grow. Take care of your hair, not by trimming. Even if you trim from now to tomorrow, if you're not taking care of your hair, it won't grow. So take care of that, your hair. it's your crown, so take care of it. Another lies is that you have to change your product because after a while they stop working. No, that's a lie. Most times your hair growth affects maybe what you eat, how you live, like your lifestyle affects your hair growth. So your product does not affect on how your hair grows, does not affect that. It's really good to use good product on your hair, yes, so that your hair can grow. I said lifestyle affects the way your hair grows, so look for a good product that will suit your hair type. Please look for a good product that will suit your hair type. Don't use nonsense products on your hair. Some people use bar soap on their hair. Omo, stop that. I hate it. I hate it. Don't use omo on your hair. Don't use bar soap on your hair. Don't, never. If you see somebody doing it, fling that soap, fling that omo. Do not use bar soap or omo on your hair. Sorry, like detergent. In this Nigeria, we classify everything as omo. Detergent, do not use it on your hair. Using stupid rubbish like product on your hair and you expect your hair to grow. So look for something that is quality. They are cheap products that are very good, that is affordable, that everybody can afford at affordable prices that you can get for your hair. Maybe one day I'll do like a video on affordable products that you can use on your natural hair, so you guys should stay tuned for that video. If you want to see that video, let me know at the comment section. So please, changing your product does not affect the way your hair grows, or rather changing your product from time to time. You can stick to one product and your hair will grow, where it's just on how you manipulate it and care for it. Me to the next myth, which is natural hair grows slow. Natural hair does not grow slow. This all depends on how you take care of your hair. You cannot be using bar soap on your hair or detergent and you expect your hair to be growing like somebody that is using proper products on his or her hair. You cannot. So please, if you are doing that, stop it. Natural hair does not grow slow. It depends on how you take care of your hair. Some people's growth is faster than some people's growth. Yes, but natural hair does not grow slow. If you take care of your hair in the proper way, it will definitely grow. The last myth or lies, which is natural hair is not for everybody. Bro, sis, natural hair is for everybody. You can care for your hair and your hair will grow. Yes, so natural hair costs, or rather takes a lot of our time. Wash days are not funny, bro or sis. Wash days are not funny, but it's once in a while. Just do it. Natural hair is for everybody. You just take care of your hair and your hair will grow. Yet it consumes a lot of time and money, but natural hair is for everybody. You can do it and you will see efficient results. Yeah, some people even go to natural hair salons to care for their hair. Yes, they are quite expensive, but they have the money, so why won't they do it since they want to keep natural hair? So natural hair is for everybody. Just depend on how you care for it and the product you use. Come to the end of this video. I hope this video has given you an insight of some nonsense and some rubbish you guys have been hearing, or rather doing. You guys need to stop all those nonsense because those are lies. Sis, bro, take care of your hair and it will grow, it will flourish. It's your crown, so take care of it. So yeah, come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the like button, leave a comment for me at the comment section, like I said in the beginning, of stuff you have heard that I mentioned, and in case there's something here I have not mentioned, please leave it for me at the comment section. I can do like a part 2 and let others know. Follow me on my social media handle. Cool stuffs are really going on there, so don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. I really have amazing videos over there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all so much and see you in my next video. Check out my other videos. Bye.